Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to find out mean and standard deviation by using calculator. For doing the same, I have created one set of data. I have put down here the survey of 100 families in which we found out how many kids do they have. So there are 18 kids, we have got no kids, 0 kids, 25 families with 1 kid, 32 families with the 2 kids, 16 families with the 3 kids, 6 families with 4 kids, and there are 3 families with the 5 kids. So this is just the simple data set we have taken to find out the mean and standard deviation for. Before you start using your calculator, I want you guys to just press Shift and Mod, and then you can just press this down arrow and number 3 here, stats. That's what you got to go to. So I'm going to press number 3. And then here you can see the option frequency on and off. I want my frequency on, so I'll press number 1. Now my frequency is on. So I am okay to start. So I'm going to go to mode. Now number 2, which is stat. So I'll be pressing number 2. Out of these 8 options, I want to go to my first option, which is variance. To find out your mean and standard deviation, you go to your first option, which is variance. So I'll press 1. You can see your X and frequency. So I put on my all scores there. So 0 equal to 1 equal to. That's how you can feed. So I'll be feeding now 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now with these arrow keys, I'll be going to frequency. I'll go on the top next to 0 and I'll feed all the frequencies. So first one is 18. So 18 and equal to, then 25 equal to, 32 equal to, 16, 6, and the last one 3. It's very important to feed all these values correctly to get the right answer. After feeding all this data, you're going to press this button, which is AC, which is all clear. So I'm going to press this button. Now you're going to press Shift and 1. So as you can see here, there is a thing written with the like state in the yellow color. For that, you go to press Shift and 1. So I'm pressing Shift and 1. So you can see these options. Out of all these options, I want to go to number 4, which is variance. So I'm going to press number 4 to variance. Here, there are 4 options given. Number 2 is your mean, X bar, which is your mean. And number 3, sigma X, which is your standard deviation. So I want to find out both of them, but I can get only one thing at a time. So I'll get my mean first, which is number 2, and then I will find out my standard deviation. So in the starting, I'm finding out mean, which is number 2. So I'll pressing 2 and equal to, so 1.76 is the mean of my data. So 1.76 is the mean. Now if I want to find out the standard deviation of the same data, I don't need to feed the data again. I can just press all clear. I can do again Shift and 1. Then I can again press the same number 4 for variance. So I'm pressing 4. And then this time I want to get my standard deviation, which is sigma X, which is number 3. So I'm going to press number 3 now. Number 3, which is sigma X, and equal to. So 1.257934815. That is your standard deviation. So now you have learned how to find out mean and standard deviation by using calculator.